So today we are going to do the topic which is very, very important, that is directions. And remember beta, if you know direction, you can do any question related to direction. ठीक है? So always remember, जैसे अभी हम लोगों ने कल clock किया था, we have done it one day before clock. In that clock, if you remember, we have done it all circles only. Reason because the most of the time the clock rotates in the form of circles. Whether the clocks are at your home, it is in form of triangle or rectangle whatsoever, but the hands of a clock always rotating in the form of circle only. Okay, so remember, that is why we have drawn circles for the clock. Same thing, direction, if I talk about, always remember direction are all perpendicular. They are all perpendicular. That is why we always draw in the form of plus. ठीक है, please use arrow here. ठीक है, now east, west, north, south. Everybody knows that we have main four directions, that is east, west, north, south. ठीक है, can anyone tell me which side is east? This is which one? Tell me.
East.
Right side east, left side west.
East.
Remember, this is east, west,
North.
north, and south.
West.
And remember,
South.
if your direction will become wrong, your everything will become wrong. So remember, try making this figure many times so that you can remember this, that which side is east, which side is west, where is north, where is south. Then coming to another portion, remember this thing, in between north and east, exactly in between north and east, it is called northeast. Okay, exactly in between. And remember, these are all 90-degree angles. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. But exactly in between, when you will draw it, remember, this is 45 degree. And this is also 45 degree. And 45, 45 together, coming together will give you total 90. Okay, so remember, north and east के बीच में जो direction draw किया जाता है, that is called northeast. ठीक है, same thing. If you talk about south and west, we call it southwest. ठीक है, south and west, we call it southwest. Yeah, west, south, what you want to call it, it's absolutely fine. ठीक है, so in between north and east, we will call it northeast. Same thing, in between south and west, we call it southwest. Is it clear? Anyone has confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Same thing, beta. You will draw one more line in between through the scale. Remember this thing here also. If you see, we have north, we have west. We have north, we have west. So between north and west, we will call it northwest. Okay, we will call it northwest. And same thing, we will call it east and south. We will have southeast. We will call it southeast. Now, first of all, you draw this one in your fair copy, and then we will discuss more about it.
Ma'am, what is the middle point called?
Just it is concurrent points. Why we call it concurrent point? Because here you can see we have four lines meeting each other. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines in mathematics, we call it concurrent point, where 4 lines are meeting each other. Okay? So you draw it, and after drawing, I will discuss the next part and look at to the board properly. Now remember, here also we use clockwise and anti-clockwise, beta. Here also we will use clockwise and anti-clockwise. Beta, if we are moving clockwise, so we will start our journey from here, north, and we will move and come to again to north only. And remember, we are rotating again full circle. So remember, this full is called 360 degree. The full all. Okay? And this is called clockwise rotation. Clockwise. And remember, when you start from north, when you start from north and you again come on north only. When you start from north and you again come on north only, it means you are completing totally 360-degree angle. Fine, students. Anyone has confusion? Remember this? Anyone has confusion?
Clockwise revolution.
Yes, we call it clockwise revolution. Okay? We call it clockwise revolution, and if we start moving from north and we are again reaching on north only, हम जहां से शुरू करें अगर हम वहीं पर पहुंच जाते हैं, it means we are completing 360-degree angle, that is complete angle, full one circle. ठीक है? Now all of you draw this one in your fair copy clockwise.
Done.
Call it anti-clockwise. When we are talking about anti-clockwise, just opposite on the direction of clock. Okay? Because clock is moving from here to here, but we are moving this side here to this side. So it is again the same thing. Angle will be 360 degree only, beta. You will start from north and north से पूरा शुरू करके अगर आप दोबारा north में पहुंच जाते हो, it means again you are completing totally 360-degree angle only. But remember, you are doing the opposite angle this time. Okay? So this is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Anyone has that? Now look at here. If I talk about fractions part, okay, how will we do it about fractions? Remember, you know that this is a complete portion. And if I talk about complete portion, this complete portion is divided into 4 parts. Okay, into 4 parts. If we are talking about full complete fraction, beta, it means if we are talking about one rotation, remember one rotation. So one rotation means you start from any place and you directly come on one place. So this is called one rotation. We call it fraction. We write it one rotation. One rotation. This will be called as one rotation. Now suppose somebody is asking from us, I am drawing another one. Somebody is asking, this is north, this is east, this is west, this is south, this is west. Somebody is asking from us half rotation. Half rotation. How will you draw half rotation? If you are starting from north, suppose you are starting from north. So coming till here will called half rotation because only we are moving this one. Okay, this is called half rotation. Okay. Anyone has any confusion regarding it? This is half rotation. If somebody is asking from us 3/4 rotation, Abhi, let us first you write it down, then I am telling you about next part, beta. Yes, absolutely. Suppose it is asking 1/4 rotation. So remember, this is having 4 parts. So you have to only cover one part. Okay? So it is asking 1/4 rotation. So if you are starting from north, clockwise.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Yes.
It's visible.
It is visible, beta. So this is only 1/4 rotation. This is called only 1/4 rotation. When we take only one portion, so this is called 1/4 rotation. But suppose if it is talking about 3/4 rotation, so you are talking about north, south, this is east, this is west. Suppose it is talking about 3/4 rotation. So how will we do it? If suppose we are starting from north, one fraction, two fraction, and coming to third portion also. So this will be calling us 3/4 rotation. We will call it 3/4 rotation. We will call it 3/4 rotation. Write it down. 1/4, 3/4. To us, if it is talking about, we have to complete 1.5 rotation. Okay? Suppose it is written 1.5 rotation. Then how will you do, beta? 1.5 rotation means
Ma'am, do your camera little bit left side?
1 plus half. Beta, everything is proper, Piyush. Everything is proper. You will see the recording.
Ma'am, do little left side, left side.
If I talk about 1.5, if I talk about 1.5 means 1 plus half. Okay, 1 plus half. Somebody is unmuted. Somebody is unmuted. So when we are doing one complete rotation plus half rotation, So remember, if you are starting from north, suppose आप start कर रहे हो north से, तो remember हम north से शुरू करेंगे. देखो 1,
And then we will stop to south.
yes, ये one complete rotation हो चुका है. हम लोग 1 पर पहुंच चुके हैं. Now 1 के बाद कह रहा है half और आ जाओ. तो लो हम half और आ गए. So this is completed. This is there now. बताओ समझ में आया या नहीं आया? 1.5 कैसे आया?
No, ma'am.
Anyone has confusion?
Ma'am, understood.
Question now you can do it. How will we do that? सबसे पहले बेटा first of all we will draw the direction. And बेटा these questions are only diagram based. No need to do any solution in it. ठीक है? No need to do any solution. Just make the diagram east, west, north and south. ठीक है? Now it is telling east. So सबसे पहले we will start by east. Now it is saying us east and make half of revolution. ठीक है? Half. तो पहले शुरू करेंगे ईस्ट से and it is written clockwise. मतलब हमको इसी तरह से शुरू करना है. ईस्ट से शुरू किया, हाफ मतलब हम आ गए यहाँ पर. ठीक है? Clockwise. Now where we are ending? Arrow is compulsory beta. Arrow is compulsory. Where we are coming? West. So the answer will be west direction. Finish. This is not tough here. It is very easy if you will understand. If the question is asking us east and make 1.5 revolution. So 1 complete मतलब शुरू करेंगे east से 1 complete. So let us start 1 complete revolution. आ गए 1 में? 1 पहुंच गए. अब 1 के बाद बोल रहे हैं हाफ और चाहिए. तो चलो शुरू करो हाफ. ये आ गए यहाँ पे. आ गया हाफ पे. So it means you will start by east and you will reach on east west only. ठीक है? So your answer will never change. Your answer will be west only. ठीक है? Anyone is having change the question? Now you can see we have west. So we will start by west. West कहाँ पर है भाई? ये है west. ठीक है? Now it is telling west and make 3/4. तो west से शुरू करते हैं. आप पीछे की तरफ जाएंगे. West से शुरू करेंगे. And we will start moving 3/4. So this is 1/4. This is 2/4. And this is 3/4. Now we have reached anti-clockwise. And if we are moving anti-clockwise, we are facing north direction. Absolutely correct. Your answer will be north direction.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope
because we are
I
moving
hope you have
anti-clockwise,
understood.
opposite of clockwise.
Yes. Yes.